hoping you have a wonderful weekend and you're inspired and ready to face another new week. Yeah, by the way, I am Mary Chris and I'm the owner of this page and I'm here in New Mexico and yeah, I used to be teaching in the Philippines before, but now I'm here in New Mexico and then my kids are studying college here and I'm working as a teacher. So how are you doing everyone? So hoping you are all inspired, motivated and ready for the new week. And welcome back to my podcast. Today, this evening's topic is simple but powerful. Age is just a number. This is a reminder that time is moving, a reminder that life is unfolding, a reminder that you are not behind, you are still becoming. Some people hear this age and feel pressure, others hear their age and feel limitation. But tonight, I want you to hear something different. Your age is not a sign, it is not a stop sign. It is not a label and it is not a deadline. It is simply a reminder that you are alive and you still have time to create something meaningful. So from a young age, we are taught invisible rules. By a certain age, you should done studying. By a certain age, you should be stable. By a certain age, you should have everything figured out. And if you're not there yet, people start to feel like they are already late. But here's the truth: life does not follow a school timetable. Life is not a checklist with deadlines. Some people discover their purpose early, some people discover it later, and some people are still discovering it right now. And none of those deadlines are wrong. What's dangerous is not age. What's dangerous is believing that your best years are already behind you. Because the moment you believe that, you stop growing. Let me ask you something honest. When you look at your age, do you feel like I'm too late? Or do you feel I still have time? Because the difference between those two thoughts changes everything. One creates fear, the other creates movement. Your age can either be a wait or a wake up call. A reminder that you still have the energy. You have energy left. You still have the ideas inside you. You still have dreams that didn't expire. And yeah, there are people who started new careers in their 40s. People built something meaningful in their 50s. People who finally stepped into their purpose in their 60s. Not because time went backward, but because they decided to move forward anyway. There usually comes a moment in life when you quietly ask yourself, is this it? Is this all I meant to do? Do I miss something? That moment is not failure. That moment is awareness. It's life tapping you on the shoulder saying, there is still more in you. But most people ignore that voice because it feels safer to stay where things are familiar, even if it feels unfulfilling. But growth doesn't come from comfort. Growth comes from decision. And the decision doesn't require perfect timing, it only requires willingness. Willingness to try again, to learn again, and to believe again. Let's redefine it clearly. Age is not really the limit, age is not a barrier. And age is evidence. It is evidence that you have survived challenges, that you have learned lessons, that you have gained wisdom that your younger self didn't have. And that is powerful. Because younger energy without wisdom is risky, but wisdom with experience is powerful. So instead of saying, I'm already this age, try saying, I am this age, which means I have this much strength, this much learning, and this much clarity. That changes everything. There is no such thing as a late start. in life that is still active. A seed doesn't compare itself to another seed. It just grows when the conditions are right. And your life works the same way. You are not competing with anyone else's timeline. Some people started earlier but stopped growing. Some people started later but move faster with focus. What matters is not when you start. What matters is that you start, because starting creates momentum and momentum creates change. So take a moment right now. Think about one thing you've been postponing, not because you cannot do it, but because you told yourself maybe later. And then now ask yourself, what if later never becomes now? What would change if today you decided, I will begin even if I start small? Not everything needs a big beginning. Some beginnings are quiet, some are simple, some are just decisions. But those small decisions often lead to the biggest transformations. So here's the message I want to leave you with tonight. Your age is not a limitation, it is a reminder that time is real and so is your potential. You are not behind, you are not too late. You are simply in your own timing, and your story is still being written. So don't measure your life by where others are. Rather, measure it by whether you are still moving forward. Because as long as you are still growing, you are on right on time. So that is just my short FB Live, and see you again tomorrow, guys. Hoping I inspired you and I made you reflect with our topic of age is just a number, and share it to someone who needs to hear it today. Have a wonderful night, have a wonderful day, and see you tomorrow, guys, in my next FB Live. Bye.